Alright, so this is a tour of the train. Over there is where you board. You push this to open the door. This is the lower level. These are the seats. And those are seat clips. There are 4. 2 on the outer part and 2 on the inner part. This is for if you clip your paper tickets or your transit ID cards like reduced fare or ride free. This is the front window to get that POV of the driver. These stairs lead you to the upper level. So you got your seats, your luggage rack, and there are also clips for the upper level, but they're not on the seats, they're here. This is the bathroom. Let's go to here. So you go up here, there's your seats, the driver cab's up there. And this is the view you get from the front. This is the view that you get. And from this seat is where you can hear the bell. And while you're sitting on this seat, you can have the bell sound right below you. This is the view from the seating area. And if you want a view from the upper level, I'll show you. Over there's priority seating. So this is the view from up top. I'll give you a quick almost 360. And yeah, there you go. I just gotta carefully back out. You get the same view on the right, but due to the engineer's cab, I'm gonna respect that space, show respect, and yeah, there's your tour. So thank you for watching, and to end it off, I'll give you one more quick look out the front window. So yeah, there you go. Thank you, and enjoy. As I forgot to mention, there are also clips on here too. So I'll give you a little glimpse. Now from here, I'll try and go slow. So yeah, there are your clips for the upper level. Now finish it off with this. Peace out.